Talking about flagship smartphone killers, OnePlus is always there and it is coming out with its new smartphone series OnePlus Z. Not only this smartphone is going to be the cheapest smartphone ever produced by OnePlus. Sources say that it will launch in the month of July. We all know that OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro is already up for sale, but many people don't have that budget to buy the 8 series. So this smartphone is for them because OnePlus CEO told that they will bring cheap OnePlus smartphones to the Indian market. They want to provide affordable smartphones to the Indian customers. And now it's time to talk about its specifications or the specs. Talking about its display, it will have 6.4-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It has a punch hole design which will provide you the best viewing experience with. And talking about its performance, it will have Snapdragon 765 chipset with 5G. It is a good chipset and it will provide you with a good performance and also with the 5G support. Now talking about its variants, it will have 6GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. So performance wise, this smartphone will be quite good for those customers who want to buy mid-range smartphones. Talking about its camera, it will have triple rear camera setup with a primary camera of 48 megapixels. It also has 12MP ultra-wide camera and 2MP depth sensor. So camera wise, OnePlus has always provided us with the best camera performance, and here also we will have good camera experience. It has a front camera of 32MP. Still, it's not a confirmed information, but we will let you know. So subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Now talking about its battery, it will have a 4000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, but with no wireless charging support. And about its design, it will have a unique design. Its rear camera is aligned to the left just like most other smartphones, with a camera setup in the upper left corner, but a classic camera comes with a classic protection. So it will have Gorilla Glass protection at the front and the back. And talking about the most important segment, that is the price of this smartphone. It is expected to be priced around rupees 30 to 35,000. So this was all about it, guys. So if you liked it, please do drop a big fat thumbs up and do comment in the comment section about your views regarding this smartphone. Do comment down and subscribe to our channel Techno Brothers and put the notifications to all to never miss an update from the Techno Brothers. Bye.